My name is Mathubamahle Ntshangase. I work for Unilever. I'm a site director for the Khanyisa plant, Khanyisa liquids plant. It's been a very great experience today. Thank you to Veli, Ndaba, the neuroscientist. We've learned a lot as a team, gained a lot of experience. One of the key takeouts for me is all about creating human leaders, right? We talk about leadership, but we don't really understand the depth of what leadership means and how to become not just a corporate leader, but leading at a human level and really connecting to who people are at grassroots level. So thank you very much to Veli Ndaba. We really appreciate his time. I encourage anyone who really wants to understand what leadership is and the key functions of human behavior and how to influence people positively to be part of the session. Invite Veli to come uplift you as a team on how you become better leaders, but not only better leaders, but better leaders leading at human level. Thank you.